Hello everyone. So for today, I just wanted to show you what I've been working on. These are just pages that I took my playing card with and painted over top of. I'll call her back when I'm done. So we're just gonna add some paint to our pages here. Again, I thought this would be rather fun to do. Just adding paint to pages. Don't really matter too much what we do beyond that, other than all I'm doing is adding paint. And I'm just using a sponge brush. I was using a card before and I decided I didn't really care for it, so again, I'm just having a bit of a play here. This is gold. I'm just going to set it off to the side here and let it dry. Now I'm going to use a blue color. Probably should shake it good before I start. Again, I'm just taking it and swiping it across here and there. And it's just to make these pages a little less bland, to add to my other journaling pieces. So I recommend taking papers or packaging like I am and just creating a bit with them. Don't be particular about it, just do, is what I normally try to do, because these paints were already out due to another project I'd been working on and all that jazz. So I just want to use the paint up. And again, it just creates a new look rather than it all being the same. Sponging it down. So again, it's just a little added fun. Nothing too glamorous about doing this. Oops, I should have shaken that one first. Again, I'm just having fun with it, not necessarily doing this in any particular order, just making it the pages stand out a little bit. And when you're done with acrylic paints, a great way to make it so they're not like sticking everywhere and all that jazz is by going off and using your, like, if you have any cornstarch or anything else like that. Again, it's just a great way to use what you have. I'm kind of just trying to dry wash it a little. Give it a little dry wash type of a look. So yeah. Again, it just uses what you have. You don't have to be very particular with it. I wanted to give you the idea that, hey, I can use something as simple as my Amazon packaging to make life easier. You don't have to always use copy paper or always use cardstock. I honestly think it's fun to just play with my plain brown paper. I think my next little project with my brown papers will actually be with Mod Podge. Again, I'm just trying to wipe some of this all over. I'm not trying to be necessarily particular with it. I'm just trying to get it all over the place. It'll dry, not a big deal. If you can't tell, I'm not being too particular with this. I'm just trying to get it evenly brought out. And again, get your hands dirty. Have fun with it. I really like this blue. Just comes off so pretty. So again, I don't mind that I made the bottom one a little dirty and that type of thing. I think it's amazing doing that. Again, I'm just having fun with the little play. So we got a bunch done. I'm gonna have to use my lovely all I use is a diaper wipe for a quick cleanup when I'm using stuff like this. and I get it all over the place, it's gonna happen. That's the point of playing, is to make yourself get out of your box and get dirty and grungy and everything. So there we go. We just cleaned it up. Now I'm going to let these dry. And again, they're all pre-cut to 12 by, or 11 by 7, so, or 7.5 or so. So again, they'll be ready to go come time to use them in a journal. I'll be, as soon as they dry, folding them up and putting them in my little pre-page ready to go area. I have the box that I just stick pre-made pages into. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.